In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide slides in Canva. If you've ever hidden a slide to keep it out of a presentation or export and now want it back, the process is quick and simple. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where to look and what to click. Start by opening the Canva project that contains the slide you hid. Once your design loads, look toward the bottom of the editor. You'll see a horizontal strip of small previews, often called thumbnails or pages. This is your slide lineup. Each thumbnail represents a page in your design, and a hidden one will usually look a bit dimmer or display a small hidden indicator, so it's easier to spot at a glance. Next, move your mouse over the specific slide you want to unhide. Don't click yet, just hover the cursor over that thumbnail. Now, right-click on it to bring up the context menu. If you're on a device where right-clicking isn't obvious, you can use a two-finger tap on a trackpad, or hold the Control key and click if you're on certain keyboards. The goal is simply to open the menu tied to that slide. In this menu, look for the option that says Unhide Page. This option appears only when the slide is currently hidden, so it should stand out. Go ahead and click Unhide Page. That's all there is to it. The slide immediately returns to its normal appearance in the thumbnail strip and re-enters the flow of your design. Once it's unhidden, that page will be included again when you present, download, or share the project, just like your other visible slides. If you were working with a team, this also means collaborators will see it active in the design sequence. And if you ever change your mind, you can repeat the same approach to manage visibility later. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're selecting the correct slide by glancing at its thumbnail content before you unhide it. If you accidentally unhide the wrong one, don't worry. You can reverse the action using your usual undo method. Also, it helps to zoom out slightly on the editor if you have many pages, so you can see more thumbnails at once and locate the hidden slide faster. That's the process from start to finish. Open your project, hover over the slide's thumbnail, right-click, choose Unhide Page, and you're done. Simple, reliable, and it puts your content right back into your presentation flow.